Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Pages, part of the iWork suite from Apple. Pages is a great program to learn because Pages is the equivalent of Microsoft Word and Publisher combined into the same program. And I think you'll really like what Pages has to offer once we get into the actual guts of Pages and show you from the template chooser to the menu options and the inspector what you can really do. Some of it's relatively amazing with how few mouse clicks you can use and create a professional looking document. So as you may notice here on my desktop, it doesn't look quite like the MLTI desktop, and for that reason is I'm recording from my home computer, and this is a stock image. And one of the reasons why I'm recording from my home computer is, one, it's a much faster computer than the MLTI laptop, and two, it actually has the iWork 09 suite, which has the newest features of iWork. Now, yes, some of these might not be available to you because currently we're using the 2008 iWork suite, but in the fall of 2009, hopefully when many people are seeing this tutorial, or just before many people are seeing this tutorial, you will receive the iWork 09 in your new MLTI laptop. So I want to show you all the features of it, and by using my home computer I can do that, which makes this video applicable for at least the next year. So let's go ahead and dig out Pages. Pages icon looks like an inkwell with a pen. You see here it highlights and says Pages, but I'm going to show you where it's located on your hard drive, because it is located in the same place as it's located on my hard drive. If we go to the Macintosh hard drive to the upper right hand corner of your screen, double click that hard drive, we get up the Finder window, and we know it's the Finder window by this here. It says Finder. We're going to go underneath Places and select Applications. We will scroll down in Applications till we find iWork, and here it is, iWork 09. Yours will say, most likely say iWork 08 if you're working on an earlier image than the fall of 2009, but rest assured it is the same icon. So double click on that folder and you can see the Pages icon there. You will also have the keynote and numbers, which all three of these applications are part of the iWork suite. If you have a different view than these icons, what you probably have is the column or the list view. I can go in here to the column view and show you that again it's in the applications folder in iWork 09 or 08 in your case in your Pages application. And some of you might have the column list, and again I'll do this one more time. I'll go to Applications. Okay, Applications. I look for iWork 09. In your case it would be iWork 08. Drop the arrow down and you can see Pages is located right here. So I could double click this image. If you don't have it on your dock, in fact I'll remove it from my dock just to show you. You can see it disappear there. If you don't have it on your dock, go ahead and take this icon, holding the mouse button down, the clicker as some people call it, holding that clicker down and dragging it, you'll see a faint image of the icon, and I'm holding that mouse button down. I'm just going to drag it down to my dock, place it down in my dock, release the mouse button, and you can see now we have the icon dock here, so we don't need to go into the applications folder to dig out Pages. So let's go ahead and start Pages, talk about the template chooser, which is the main focus of this first lesson. So as Pages starts, the first thing you'll usually get is the inspector right here, and we have the media browser. I'm going to close them both out for right now because I want to focus on the template chooser, which is the focus of this lesson. Now the template chooser is a window that opens up, and by default it opens up when you start up the Pages application, and it has pre-built templates for documents that you would like to create. Now everything inside of Pages is designed to be printed on one form or another. Now printing can be physical printing, for example through a printer, you print it out and hand it out to the students, or virtually printed, which is you create a portable document format or a PDF document that you can email to other teachers, to students, family members, and whatnot. So there's a lot of possibilities here, and I think you'll be quite interested by the end of these lessons, even in the basic level, of some of the powerful features that are built right into this program. So the template chooser opens up, and inside here we see a lot of templates. Now, all these templates are created by Mac. They're all royalty free, so in other words, you can print them out and create it. You could use them for a small business, you can use them for school. There are no royalties required to be paid. The state has already covered those by giving you the MLTI laptop and the software license. We can increase and decrease the size of these icons. What they are is an image preview. With this slider here at the bottom, we can make them bigger. And of course it shows fewer of the icons. We can make them smaller and show more of the icons. We can have more options to look at the different templates that are available. But if we bring this up big again, let me bring this right up here. And if you see the bottom left-hand corner here, we have a couple little lines. As with all Mac windows, we can increase the size of the window by clicking on this and dragging this.